Okay, good morning to you all. So you're all doing well? Yes. That's good. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn a few things that you already know. We're going to make you understand how to practice to become better singers. Now, some exercises are going to improve your talam skills. Some are going to improve your understanding of music, the melody, and then some for your voice. Okay? Now let's start first with the Pranavam exercise. Do you all know what Pranavam exercise is? Sa, A and Om.
Guys, I gave you a video that just tells me nobody listened to it.
So you all have to do that for all the notes. Starting from, we're not going to do Sa Pa Sa directly, but I'm going to give you a Sa Pa Sa exercise with Talam. Okay? Later. So what we'll start off with this. Can you all start Sarigama Padanisa slowly? Every note you have to sustain. Do it in Shankarabharanam scale. Do you all know Shankarabharanam scale? Yes. Okay, good. So let's start with Sa. As long as possible, you have to hold on to your breath and open your mouth properly and sing with clarity. So the mouth position should be A. You should not close and sing. It should not be that's in pitch, but it's not got the same effect. So if you're doing that is Sir, it's not Sa. So I have to get the A sound. Okay, do it. Little bit more wider. Open your jaw. That's all you need to do. The lower jaw. One, two, three, four. So we're going to do 2 avartanams of talam. You have to do sustain as long as you can. Then go to the next. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Little bit wider. Om. Don't stop the talam, just go to Om. 1, 2, 3, start. Open your jaw. So this you have to do every day, once at least. Okay, ideally you have to do every note 3 times. If you're not able to do it, at least once in a day, first thing, before you start practicing anything else. If you do it, I'm going to see who all can do it. All first initially let us target 30 days. So just do it for 30 days every single day. Okay, every single day you have to spend, it's about 8 minutes maximum. Okay, can you all do it? Okay, now let's do Sa Pa Sa. So normally what do you do? So without talam we do. Now we'll put talam, and of course we did the sustaining. So that is the first part. So already the sustaining is over. Now what we're going to do is with talam. So you have to do in Tisram. Like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sa pa sa sa pa sa sa pa sa pa sa sa pa You ought to be in pitch. See, just to sa pa sa in music can be so difficult. Okay, just do it. Sa pa sa 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 sa pa sa. You have to concentrate. Sa pa sa. So while coming, you have to be careful. Sa pa sa sa pa sa sa pa sa sa pa sa. Sa pa sa 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 sa pa sa. So this will improve two things. It will improve your pitching. It will also improve your concentration. If you do it once like this, before and after your class, your sapasa can become innovative. So you don't have to do it just by routine. Now we can try the same thing in Khandam. Can you all try Khandanadai? Okay, let's see. So what you have to do is Khanda means you only need to get 5. So sa pa sa. Only 5. Sa pa sa. So 5 will make it Khandanadai. Get it? Sa pa sa pa sa pa sa pa sa. Can you all put Khanda Chapu? 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 sa pa pa sa sa pa. Everything is 4 counts. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 sa pa sa pa sa sa pa sa pa sa. Have you ever tried something like this?
Khanda Chapu Paridhanam Ichite Velukovayya Anna.
Okay, try it again. Sa pa pa sa sa pa pa sa. Now what you have to do is 8 carways you have to do. Sa pa like that. Can you do that? 8 counts. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Do it again. Sa pa sa pa sa. This will be also a practice for Khanda Chapu. You will get Khanda Chapu easily. So for kids to get control over Khanda Chapu, you don't need to teach a song. Just Sapasa exercise will get you to practicing Khanda Chapu. So we'll go to now 2 times. Sa pa sa pa sa 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 pa sa pa sa sa pa sa pa sa sa pa sa pa sa pa sa sa pa sa pa Okay. That is a little tough, the last part, but till then you can do that. After you get a bit more control, try and work on that. These exercises will not be there in any music book. So this is something that we innovate. At the same time, we also get command of the talam and also sapasa. So every time we make you sing a sapasa, or even if you sing a sapasa at home, practice with a direction so that it can be interesting. So every exercise will not be just an exercise. Once you make it interesting, it will become fun, you will enjoy it. The idea of music is you should enjoy. Every exercise should start becoming fun. Now, how are we going to do this in Misram? We did this in Tisram, we did this in Khandam. Right? So can we try Misra Chapu? So what you have to do is Sa Pa Sa Pa Sa. Then down pa and sa. Sa, 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 pa, sa, pa. Sa, pa, sa. Sa, pa, sa. So you add that. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. Became 7. So what you have to remember is the number is 7. If you want Misram, number has to be 7. Right? So if we make 7 syllables and 4 counts for each, it becomes Misram. Or 8 counts also. So let us start with 8 counts. Put Misra Chapu first. Do you all know how to put Misra Chapu? What is Misram? 7. Can you put that? Takita takadimi. Put all of you say and put Takita takadimi. Misram is a combination of Tisram and Chaturashram. 3 plus 4. Okay? Mixing 3 and 4 becomes Misram. Misram is literally mixing. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. This will help you get the range down also. Your lower pa will become strong. So just try this. So those who are struggling to get lower notes, this is an easy way out. What do you have to do? Not only hear what I say. You have to try. Sa, pa. 8 counts. Not sleep till 9, 10 is all over. Okay. Sleeping is over today. Sa, pa, pa, sa, pa, sa. Is anybody not following? If you are not following, you can raise your hands. I'll help you again. Talam. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sa, ga, 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 pa, ga, 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 sa, pa, sa, sa. Got it? Easy. Now do 4. Only 4 carves. Sa, ga, 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 pa, ga, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. Can you try that? Sa, pa, pa, sa, pa, sa. Do it again. Oh, you're putting Khanda Jago. Put Misra Jago. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. What did you do? Do it again. Sa, pa, Misra Chapu, correct up on alarum. Put it the way you're comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. If you're comfortable doing this, do that. But in Adi Tala. Sa, pa, ga, sa, pa, ga, sa, pa, sa, sa, pa. Oh, Misra Chapu. Sa, ga, pa, ga, sa. How do you put Misra Chapu? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. How do you? this way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. Try to practice. Each count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2 like that. Okay? Now if you have to do Sankirnam, how will you do? Yeah. Should not be that way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is the way you put Sankirna Chapu. Can you all put this? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's the way you put. But how do you sing this? Sa, pa, sa. You can do that. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. You can do that. But you can add a high pa. Can we add this high pa? Try. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. Can you do that? Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. Can you do that? 9. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. This will be a good practice for you to get the full range. Try it. Okay. How can we do? We'll do Khanda Jati Triputa Talam first. Then that is easy for you. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. Easy. This is easy talam. Let's put this talam first. Then we'll go to Khanda Nadai. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, should not mess it. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, sa, pa, sa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. Got it? Now do the next beat. Sa, pa, sa, pa. Try it. Try it. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, sa. With talam 4 times wrong. Sa, pa, 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 sa, pa. Good. So like this you have to practice. Khanda Jati Triputa Talam is probably easy for you for now. After that you have to try to do this. Sa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. But remember how many counts you're putting. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. Clap like this first. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now sing sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. to clap correctly. Easy? Just sapasa we've started. Not done anything much. Okay, now Sarigama Padanisa. You have to sing only one time. That is only one avartana. But you have to sing 2 speeds. Can you do that? Sarigama Padanisa, Sanidapa Magarisa. Again Sarigama Padanisa, Sanidapa Magarisa. 2 speeds has to come. Now how do you do normal 2 speeds? Sarigama Padanisa, Sanidapa Magarisa. Sarigama Padanisa, Sanidapa Magarisa. How many avartanam is over? 2 avartanam. I need only 1 avartanam. But you have to sing 2 speeds. Can you do that? So you take second speed and third speed together also. How will it come? Sar, sar, gama, padanisa, sani, daba, magari. Sani, gama, padanisa, sani, daba, magari. So it became still 1.5 avartanams. So how many counts came for 2 speeds? What? How? அப்படி பண்ணக்கூடாது. 2 தடவை ஃபுல்லாக பாடணும். செகண்ட் ஸ்பீட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 ஸ்பீட்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக பாடணும். இப்போ எவ்வளோ கவுண்ட்ஸ் வருதுன்னு பாருங்க. சரி கம பத நிச சனி தப மகரி சரி கம பத நிச சனி தப மகரி. எல்லாமே மேத்ஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸில் குமான்லாம் எவ்வளோ பேர் போறீங்க? Who are all going for Kuman? Raise your hands. Or any math class, school you have maths, raise your hands. You're all going for Kuman or math class. You have math class in school, right? Okay, not also your school. Okay, but how many counts were there? Sarigama Padanisa Sanidapa Magarisa. Sarigama Padanisa Sanidapa Magarisa. How many counts totally? 12 counts. So 12 counts means what has to be done to sing an Aditana? 12 counts means total how much? So total is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 32 plus 16. Total is how much? 48. Right? You all get that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 means 12 4s 48. So we have to make one cycle have 48. So how will you do that? Think fast. Per beat 3. That's all you have to do. So you'll get 24. So if you make it 6, you get 48. Okay, second speed is 6. First speed is 3. Can we try it? Sarigama pada sanidapa magarisa. Sarigama pada nisa sanidapa magarisa. You have to use your intelligence. Sarigama pada nisa sanidapa magarisa 2 times is total is 32 syllables. So how do you put that in Tisram? If you put, you will get that. So do it again. Sarigama pada sanidapa magarisa. Sarigama pada nisa sanidapa magarisa. So first speed is 16. Second speed is 8. So it's 24. If you double it also, it's 48. Do you understand math behind it? So if I need now 3 speeds, the other logic I'll tell you. The 2 speeds, you don't even have to do so much of math. 2 speeds, if I tell you to do anything in Carnatic music, 2 speeds if you do, 2 plus 1 is what? 3. That's all. You have to put everything as 3s. You will get 2 plus 1, 3. 2 speeds, you can do anything in Carnatic music. Even when you're doing Swaram, Varnam, whatever it is. Let's try the first line of a Varnam. Try a first line of a Varnam.
Ninnukuri. Those who don't know Varnam, it's okay. Ninnukuri.
Varnam யாருக்கெல்லாம் வரணும் ஒன்றும்?
இவன் 4 பேர் தவிர பார்க்கல.
சரி வரணுமா நீங்க? சரி மீதிலாம் பாடுங்க.
Ninnukuri, come on.
ஸ்வரம் பாடுங்க, ஸ்வரம் பாடுங்க. ஸ்வரம். Do the ஸ்வரம் first. சரி கரி சரி சத சரி கப கரி சரி நின்னோக்கோ Now you have this first line. Now do it in Tisram. Ninno kori So first line is over only here. So 3 times 3 avartanams if you sing only, you will get 1 samam. Ninno kori One samam comes after the 3 lines in Chaturasram. So the entire, so you continue. Gari gari sari sari sagari ga sari sada sari gari ga pa ga pa da pa ga pa da pa da sari gari ga sari da sa pa da sari ga sa da pa gari sari. So 6 lines irukradanaல it is coming in samam till there. Pallavi, Anupallavi and the first, that swaram is totally 6 avartanams in Aditalam. Pallavi is 2 avartanams in all varnams usually. Anupallavi is 2 avartanams. Do you understand what is an avartanam? One cycle of the talam is called 1 avartanam. So 2 cycles of the talam is 2 avartanams. So similarly Anupallavi has also got 2 cycles. Then the swaram has also got 2 cycles. Right? Gad, gari, gari, sari, sari, sagari, ga, sari, sari, gari, ga, pa, da, pa, da, pa, da, pa, da, pa, da, sari, gari, ga, sari, da, sa, pa, sari, ga, sa, da, pa, gari, sari. That's 2 cycles. Do you get it? So, now the short trick for this, getting the tisram is, no, kori, so you can practice 2 speeds also, but everything will come in 1 hour time. Try, you will get control in tisram also. Do it. Sari sagari ga sari sada sari gari ga ba da pa ga pa da pa da sari gari ga sari da sa pa da sari ga sa da pa gari sari. You have to know where the avartanam splits as 2 halves. No ko the U is the first start point. No ko If you are not comfortable doing this, then you do the first full line. Ninno ko, ri, yu, na, nu, ra, ninno ko, ri, yu, na, nu, ra, ni, ki, ga, 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 lo. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Got it? Is it easy? Which is easy? First half, Tisram, and second half, Tisram Melkalam is easy, or this is easy? First one is easy. Ninno ko ri yu na nu ra ni kanno pa lim pa samaya mi de ga 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 correctly you have to split. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gari sari sari sagari ga sari sada sari gari ga ba ga ba da ba da ba da ba da sari gari ga sari da saba da sari ga sa da ba gari sari ni. What you have to do is, next to your annual day, you have to do this. Whenever your school day, you have to show all this different ways of doing it. And if they can all do it together, it will be even better. You have to practice varnams like this. Ninno ga ga di sa sa di di ga ga di di sa di ga di sa di sa di ga ba ga di ga ga di sa sa di di ga ga di di sa di ga di sa di sa di ga ba ga di sa di okay, you can do normal swaram also, swaram sahityam also. How many of you practice akaram in varnam? Do you do akaram for varnams?
I've told everybody to do, but they are not doing it. So I am doing my job. Sure.
Who has to let you do it?
Exactly.
You only have to do it.
Please, don't even practice and don't blame me, okay?
I practiced a lot. But I
Okay, quiet. So I have given them a voice culture exercise for the singer, which has everything they need.
You have to practice varnam and akaram, and you have to try even humming if you can. Try humming. for 10 minutes, your allergies will go. So if you're struggling with allergies, you should do either Om or you should do this. If you're able to do this, you can relieve yourself of a lot of your sinusitis and other problems. Now let's go and try something else. So I'm going to displace one note and let's try Sarlavase. Sari gama pada ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa ni sari gama pada ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa ni sari. This is called fraction practice. So I'm adding one ni. Can you do that? Sari gama pada ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa ni sari gama pada ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa ni sari gama pada ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa ni sari gama pada ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa ni sari gama pada ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa ni sari gama pada ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa ni sari gama pada ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa ni sari gama pada ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa. So like this you have to do. If you do this, you will get fraction practice. What?
Sarigama Padanisa Sanidapa Magarisa.
I'm adding one knee.
Oh, to both sides or just...
No, only one side. You can't add
Coming
both
down,
sides.
you're adding one knee.
Sarigama Padanisa Sanidapa Magarisa. Talam and sing. If you dream, you'll be lost. You have to be alert. Sarigama Padanisa Sanidapa Magarisa ni 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 Sarigama Gama Padani Sani Dava Magari Sani Sari Gama Padani Sani Dava Magari Sani Sari Gama only ekadala Sani Dava Magari Sani Sari Gama Padani 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 Sani Dava Magari Sani Sa வந்திருக்கு